So this is the other sheet, which in which you might be asked to make the financial year data. So just do one thing: drag your order date, drag another order date. This is just a shortcut because it's better if you know shortcuts right now. So make sure this is year, this is month. So what happens is, yeah, so then this moves as usual. Tableau tends to move things around. So here you go. Now just check the filters because we don't want everything. I'll just tell you what we need is sales amount, then cost amount should be there, yeah, and margin. Apply, okay. Now you want sales amount to be on top, so sales amount, cost amount, margin. Okay, done. Now it's on FY 2010, but if it's not, just go to this dimensions, order date, and yeah, default properties fiscal year, and change it to April. It's already April, so it's done. Now this, though I had told you in the last thing, that so wants it in a certain way, and that is he wants, sorry, number custom, done. And dates also he wants in a certain way, but over here it's fine. So we're done with the second video.